Learn how to make 4 hot chocolate in a jar recipes, which makes perfect gifts. I will show you how to make a hot chocolate mixture, a traditional hot chocolate, a peppermint hot chocolate, and a cookies and cream hot chocolate with Oreo pieces. All of these hot chocolate in a jar recipes are made without using powdered milk and can be made using any type of milk. These hot chocolate recipes will be made in 8-ounce canning jars, which are easy to find in craft stores. I also suggest using Dutch processed cocoa powder, which has a smoother taste than milk or dark chocolate cocoa powder. I have linked the 8-ounce jars and the Dutch processed cocoa powder I am using in the description below. Add 7 tablespoons of Dutch processed cocoa powder, 7 tablespoons of granulated sugar, and 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. Sift all of the ingredients together over a large bowl until combined. Sifting these ingredients together will help create a smooth hot chocolate. Cornstarch is added to this recipe to help the hot chocolate thicken, but if you choose to leave it out, the hot chocolate will still turn out great. Any type of milk will work for this recipe, but a thicker milk like whole milk or oat milk will work best. Use a canning funnel and start filling an 8-ounce jar with the hot chocolate mix. A canning funnel makes filling these jars really easy and helps get all of the ingredients into the jar. This hot chocolate is perfect for a gift or to make one for yourself and have around the house for the colder months, since all you need is 2 tablespoons of this mix and 8 ounces of warm milk. Add the lid and decorate this jar with festive ribbon or a bow. Use a canning funnel and add 4 tablespoons of Dutch processed cocoa powder into the jar. Remove the canning funnel and wipe down the jar using your fingers or a paper towel to remove any cocoa powder dust from the sides of the jar. This will help to be able to clearly see all of the remaining ingredients added. Return the canning funnel to the jar and evenly add 3 tablespoons of granulated sugar. Add 2 heaping tablespoons of crushed up candy cane pieces and add 2 tablespoons of semi-sweet chocolate chips. Add mini marshmallows to the top of the jar. Add the lid and decorate this jar with festive ribbon or a bow. Use a canning funnel and add 4 tablespoons of Dutch processed cocoa powder. Remove the canning funnel and wipe down the jar using your fingers or a paper towel to remove any cocoa powder dust from the jar. Add the canning funnel back to the jar and evenly add 3 tablespoons of granulated sugar. If the granulated sugar is not even, tap the jar gently to help even it out. Return the canning funnel to the jar and add 2 tablespoons of crushed up Oreo pieces. Tap the jar gently to ensure the cookie pieces are even. Add 2 tablespoons of semi-sweet chocolate chips. Add mini marshmallows to the top of the jar. Top with the lid and decorate this jar as desired. Use a canning funnel and add 4 tablespoons of Dutch processed cocoa powder. Remove the canning funnel and wipe down the jar using your fingers or a paper towel to remove any cocoa powder dust from the jar. Return the canning funnel back to the jar and evenly add 3 tablespoons of granulated sugar to the jar. Gently tap the jar to help even the sugar out. Add 2 tablespoons of semi-sweet chocolate chips. Add mini marshmallows to the top of the jar. Add the lid and decorate this jar as desired. If you loved this recipe, check out other great gift recipes like cookies in a jar in the link above or the video description below. Make sure to print the recipe cards in the link found in the description below when gifting these hot chocolates in a jar. Happy holidays, everyone! Thank you so much for watching. Come back soon to bake more good things.